Hi guys, this is Michael SS Productions, back with another video. And I'm sorry for the delay. I haven't been posting in a while. Cause I've just been dealing with a lot of stuff lately, me summer break and me, going back to class or going back to school or whatever. So, but I promise you, we're gonna get back to making the things that entertain you and the things that you might like and the things that entertain me and the things that I like, which is HVAC and that stuff. So today I'm gonna be doing the startup and shutdown of my ceiling fan. Yeah, I know I haven't done it in a while and I've never done it before, but today is the day that we do it today. And there it is right there. So without further ado, let's get it out the way. Get the camera right here. Right back. Let's go. Spin like ASMR. Alright guys, so there it is. There's my fan. Got a little bit of air coming out of it. So freaking noisy. Yeah. So yeah, this is a good fan. Yeah, it's a little bit noisy, but it's still a nice fan, and it's spinning. It's blowing some good air out of it, which is good. I don't know how this fan got noisy, but it just is. It is what it is, So yeah, here it is. It's running. Watch. It's just running peacefully, but it's a little noisy. But guys, watch how this fan spins. It's pretty epic, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty epic. Got some nice air coming out of it. There's my other fan down there. Neighbor Central Air is out there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. There's the outside. Alright, now we're going to shut it down. Alright, be right back. Hot air. spinning down. Alright. That's it. Look at those fan blades spinning down. Sorry, that's my other fan turned on. It's so hot. So, there's the fan blade spinning down. Just look at that, guys. Okay, so that was it. That was the complete startup and shutdown of my ceiling fan. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'm out.